Remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel at NDN TV Nigeria. Click on the subscribe button and be the first to get notifications. Bayelsans, behold your miracle governor, Senator Doye Diri, a man of peace and integrity, determined to bring development to all corners of Bayelsa State. Senator Doye Diri, a man on a mission for infrastructure revolution, educational emancipation, and the provision of affordable healthcare for all Bayelsans. Senator Doye Diri, champion of empowerment and winner of several sporting laurels for Bayelsa State. Senator Doye Diri, by the grace of God, destined to govern Bayelsa State for 2 terms. Senator Doye Diri, working hard for a greater Bayelsa State.
The Bayelsa state government has vowed to get to the root of recent disturbances in Nembe kingdom that have claimed lives and left many internally displaced in Nembe community. Deputy Governor of the state, Senator Lawrence Erujakpo, came up with this position recently at Nembe, where he went to interact with members of the community following increased rate of armed violence in Nembe kingdom.
On Tuesday, the 15th of August 2023, unidentified gunmen opened fire on innocent members of Nembe community, killing 3 persons in the process. Alarmed by this development, Governor Doye Diri summoned a State Security Council meeting and directed his deputy, Senator Lawrence Erujakpo, to visit the embattled community and get first-hand knowledge of the security situation in Nembe Kingdom. While at Nembe, Senator Erujakpo alleged that the police headquarters had deployed a troop to the community, where a joint security task force was already on ground to curtail violence. The Bayelsa State Deputy Governor, who accused the police of conniving with hoodlums and intimidating innocent citizens, said security reports at the disposal of the state government had identified some suspected perpetrators of the mayhem in Nembe community.
It would be good we remove the hand of the monkey from this soup so it doesn't look like a human hand. So we're really going to appeal to the community to remain calm. The government of Bayelsa is a responsive government. We are following up, and that is why the governor has asked me to be here, and we're not going to allow anybody to intimidate them.
At the Nembe General Hospital, a gunshot victim identified as Ifiemi Emena was still lying in a critical condition. The Bayelsa State Deputy Governor immediately directed that the gunshot victim be evacuated to Inaugurates, the state capital, for proper medical attention.
In that car now, let us evacuate her quickly.
In the meantime, the Bayelsa state government has inaugurated a judicial panel of inquiry to get to the root of the recent killings in Nembe Kingdom. While inaugurating the panel on behalf of his boss, the Bayelsa State Deputy Governor pointed out that part of its mandate was to ascertain the remote and immediate causes of violence in Nembe Kingdom and make recommendations on how to restore peace and security in the kingdom.
We believe that those lives that were lost, those 3 lives that were lost, governments and even the citizens and family desire and deserve and need to know what was the cause of those deaths.
The Bayelsa state government has since donated basic supplies to victims of violence in Nembe Kingdom, pending the outcome of investigations into the disturbances in affected communities. The 6-member panel of inquiry, headed by retired Justice Margaret Akpomiemie, has 3 weeks to submit its report.
Inside the Niger Delta. Bayelsans, behold your miracle governor, Senator Doye Diri, a man of peace and integrity, determined to bring development to all corners of Bayelsa State. Senator Doye Diri, a man on a mission for infrastructure revolution, educational emancipation, and the provision of affordable healthcare for all Bayelsans. Senator Doye Diri, champion of empowerment and winner of several sporting laurels for Bayelsa State. Senator Doye Diri, by the grace of God, destined to govern Bayelsa State for 2 terms. Senator Doye Diri, working hard for a greater Bayelsa State.